The Bachelor of Science in Furniture Making and Architecture and Woodworking programme is delivered here in ATU Connemara. Some of the unique selling points of the programme are that it's very applied in nature. Students will gain a high level of practical skills in many different modules. Our students regularly compete and win national and international competitions, and students undertake a year-long paid work placement in third year, which can take place here in Ireland or anywhere abroad. Career opportunities include bespoke maker, fit-out manufacturer, CAD engineer, project manager, entrepreneur, and many, many more. If you're unsure of which programme to choose, please select the Common Entry programme, and you can then specialise at the end of first year.
My favourite part about this course is there's a lot of practical work involved, and we constantly have new projects to be working on. We have great opportunity here to use all the best machinery, the likes of the CNC and beam saws that are often used in the industry, and it's really handy to have that going into the industry when we finish in fourth year. So I was lucky I got the chance to work out in the industry and learn some new skills, and I also got to put into practice the skills I learned in first and second year here in college, and I really enjoyed it.
After graduating with my level 8 Bachelor of Science degree, I had the necessary tools that I needed to set up my own business. This was great because I got to meet with the clients from different businesses and hotels, and got to go to them with 3D models and show them process plans of the work that I would be carrying out. The training I got in ATU Connemara was brilliant. It let me set up an efficient woodworking business, and I haven't been out of a day's work since.